Okay, let's practice this again. This number 34 here, that's the same as number 18 over at the left. So I'm going to recopy the right-hand side, if you don't mind. This will equal a over x plus b over x plus 2 plus c over x plus 2 quantity squared. Okay, now let's focus only on the numerators. The numerator on the left is negative 3x squared plus 2x plus 8 equals. Okay, now let's look at the right-hand side. The common denominator will be x times x plus 2 squared. So a is going to need to be multiplied by x plus 2 squared over x plus 2 squared. So we will have a times x plus 2 quantity squared. The b fraction is going to need to be multiplied by x and one more x plus 2. So plus bx times x plus 2. The third fraction already has the x plus 2 squared. It will need to be multiplied by x over x to get to that common denominator. And so we will have plus c x. That'll be the main equation that we're working with. Now we need to choose values to zero things out at the right. And I notice if I choose x equals 0, I will eliminate out the whole b and c terms. So that would be a good choice. Let x equal 0, dot, dot, dot. The left side of the equation basically zeroes out except for the 8. So we will have 8 equals a times 0 plus 2 squared. 8 will equal 2 squared, that's 4a, and this will imply that a is equal to 2. So there's one of our values. I need to choose another value for x, and I think negative 2 would be my next best choice. So let x equal negative 2, dot, dot, dot. Now this will be a little bit more involved. On the left-hand side, I need to substitute that in for each term. Let me switch colors here. Negative 3 times negative 2 squared plus 2 times negative 2 plus 8 equals. Now when I substitute the negative 2 in, it's going to zero out the whole expression with a in it, the term with a in it, as well as the term with b in it. So we're really just going to have c times negative 2, which is negative 2c. Okay, so that equation's not that bad. We have negative 3 times 4 minus 4 plus 8. That's negative 12 minus 4 is negative 16 plus 8, that becomes negative 8 equals negative 2c, and that will imply that c is equal to 4. Now we need to choose another value that will work well on the right-hand side to cancel things out, but there isn't an easy choice. So since I've already chosen 0 and negative 2, I think 1 is a pretty easy number for us to work with. So let x equal 1, dot, dot, dot. What's nice about substituting 1 in is we're really just going to have negative 3 times 1 plus 2 times 1 plus 8. We're really going to have negative 3 plus 2 plus 8 on the left-hand side. And the right-hand side will be a. Well, we know what a is, don't we? A is 2. So that will be 2 times 1 plus 2 quantity squared. Plus b we don't know, so plus b times the x, which is 1, times parentheses 1 plus 2, plus cx, well c is 4, so 4 times 1. Negative 3 plus 2, that's negative 1 plus 8, that makes 7. We're going to have 1 plus 2, that's 3 squared is 9, times 2 is 18. This will become a 3 times 1 times b, so plus 3b plus 4. Okay, on the right we've got 22, which we will subtract off. 7 minus 22 makes negative 15, equals 3b on the right, and therefore b is going to equal negative 5.